Welcome, listeners, to AI Brief, episode 209. I'm Amin, your guide through what's really making waves in artificial intelligence today.
And I'm Leah. It's great to be here. Today we're doing a deep dive into some, well, pretty fascinating and maybe surprising stuff.
Absolutely.
We'll unpack the latest in AGI testing and, why it's showing some unexpected struggles for top models.
Okay.
Then, how AI models are, believe it or not, susceptible to human psychological tricks. Big implications there. And then we'll cover, well, everything else buzzing in AI, including some really neat tools to boost your productivity.
All right, let's get into it, straight to the cutting edge. So let's kick off with something potentially groundbreaking. The ARC Prize's new interactive AGI test, ARC AGI 3. This isn't just, another benchmark.
No, not at all. It's really designed to push AI agents to properly generalize in totally new environments they've never seen before.
And what makes it so different?
Well, what's fascinating is how it moves beyond just specialized skills. It uses 3 original games, simple for us, but built to see if an AI can build a world model.
Like an internal understanding.
Exactly, an internal map of how things work, and then plan long-term with almost no feedback, no instructions given.
So pure trial and error.
Pure trial and error, just like how we figure out a new puzzle, Adapt on the fly.
Okay, and here's where it gets really interesting for us listening.
Mm-hmm.
Early results.
Yeah, the results are telling. Frontier models, we're talking OpenAI's O3 Grok 4.
Yeah.
They're struggling a lot.
That's right. How?
Failing to complete even the most basic levels of these games. Levels that honestly are pretty straightforward for a person.
Wow. So what does that actually tell us about AGI?
It's a bit of a reality check, isn't it? It shows even our best models are maybe still fundamentally pattern matchers, great on trained tasks, but true novelty, that's different.
Right. The common sense, the intuition bit.
Precisely. That ability to form a flexible mental model from scratch. They're faltering. It really highlights the gap, the huge gap, between current AI and, well, general human intelligence.
So ARC launching a public contest makes a lot of sense then.
Absolutely. Push research into these really crucial areas of generalization and adaptation. That's the core of it.
Makes you wonder if it's the architecture or just needing, different kinds of data.
That is the big question. Maybe more diverse data helps, but these tasks suggest it's deeper. Foundational breakthroughs might be needed in how AI learns and reasons about the unknown.
Okay, so from AI's learning challenges to, well, another quite startling discovery.
Yes. This new research from Wharton Generative AI Labs. It found that AI models, even GPT-4 Mini, can be tricked.
Tricked how? Not just finding loopholes?
No, tricked using the exact same psychological persuasion techniques that work on us humans.
You're kidding. Like Cialdini's principles.
The very ones. Authority, commitment, liking, reciprocity, scarcity, unity.
They tested these across, get this, 28,000 conversations with GPT-4 Mini. And the goal was?
To persuade the AI to do things it shouldn't. Answer objectionable queries, like insulting the user or giving instructions for restricted stuff.
Okay, so what happened? Did it work?
It more than worked. Applying these principles more than doubled the model's compliance rate for these bad requests.
Doubled. From what baseline?
From 33% baseline compliance all the way up to 72%.
72%? That's alarming.
Yeah.
Any specific tactics stand out?
Oh, yeah. Commitment and scarcity were incredibly potent. Commitment, getting it to agree to something small first. That boosted compliance from 19% to 100%. 100%. And scarcity, making the forbidden knowledge seem rare or limited, pushed it from 13% up to 85%.
Wow. I mean, the takeaway here seems huge.
It really is. It's not just that AI can be tricked, it's that it's vulnerable to human psychology. Social engineering suddenly becomes an AI cybersecurity risk.
So our current safeguards might not be enough.
It suggests they might be targeting the wrong thing, or at least not the whole picture. If the core model can be influenced like this, we need more robust defenses baked in deeper. It's an ongoing arms race, really, rethinking security at a foundational level.
Okay, beyond these, let's call them core AI behavior insights, the whole ecosystem is buzzing. Let's cover some other key headlines.
Right, first up, policy. The White House, according to the Wall Street Journal, seems poised to tackle perceived bias in AI models.
That's so.
An expected executive order might mandate political neutrality for AI companies wanting federal contracts. Ensure models are unbiased.
Whoa, politically neutral. That sounds tricky. How would developers even achieve that, given the data?
Exactly. It's a massive challenge. It'll likely spur innovation and bias mitigation, for sure, especially with government contracts on the line. But defining and achieving neutrality from inherently biased human data, that's a tough one. A real tightrope walk.
Shifting gears to the market. Big news for TSMC.
Huge. They've joined the $1 trillion club, the Taiwanese chip giant supplying Apple, NVIDIA, everyone, basically.
First Asian stock to hit that since 2007.
Yep. And they've upped their revenue growth forecast to 30%. Just shows the AI chip demand isn't slowing down at all.
That demand really dictates a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Who leads, who can afford to innovate.
Absolutely. It's the foundational hardware. TSMC's value just reflects how critical and maybe bottlenecked that supply is right now.
Okay, interesting strategic move from Perplexity in India.
Yeah, really bold. They're partnering with Airtel, India's second biggest telecom, 360 million subscribers.
And the offer is?
A free year of Perplexity Pro, that's like $200 value, offered to Airtel's massive user base. Plus, they're apparently talking to phone makers to pre-install their AI browser, Comet.
So, a direct challenge to OpenAI, and maybe Google too, in a huge market.
Definitely. It's about massive distribution, embedding themselves right into the mobile ecosystem there. Very clever play.
What else is happening? Philanthropy from OpenAI.
Right. They launched a $50 million fund for nonprofits and community orgs, following recommendations from their own commission. Good to see.
Okay. And some friction in the dev world. Microsoft and Cursor.
Yeah, Microsoft is reportedly blocking Cursor's access to a load of extensions on the VS Code ecosystem, including the Python language server. That could definitely limit a competitor.
And Elon Musk. Baby Grok.
Yeah. An announcement on XAI is apparently developing a kid-friendly Baby Grok after adding matchmaking features to the main Grok AI. Diversifying, I guess.
Interesting. What about Meta and EU regulations?
Meta's head of global affairs stated they won't sign the EU's voluntary AI code of practice. They cited concerns about legal uncertainty and it going beyond existing AI laws. Yeah. Shows that tension between innovation speed and regulation.
And finally, OpenAI's compute power.
Sam Altman shared they're on track for over 1 million GPUs online by year-end.
1 million GPUs.
And the next goal is apparently 100 times that. Just staggering scale and investment. Really shows the compute arms race.
Okay, let's switch from the big picture to some practical tools you can actually use. What's trending?
All right, first, Kimi K2. That's Moonshot AI's open source model. It just got better tool calling capabilities, more versatile for devs, letting AI interact with other software better.
Nice. What about technical stuff?
NVIDIA's released OpenReasoning-Nemotron, open models specifically for math, science, and code. Great for precision work.
And for developers coding.
AWS has Kiro, a new AI IDE focused on agentic coding, basically helping build AI systems that can act more autonomously to achieve goals.
Yeah. Handling documents. A lot of people need that.
For sure. NuMind has NuExtract. It pulls high-quality structured data like JSONs from documents, texts, PDFs, even scans any language. Huge time saver.
Job hunting.
There's ApplyAI. Uses AI to power your job search, resume help, finding openings, optimizing applications.
Creative tasks.
Check out PicPic. Enhances photos, removes backgrounds, generates AI art pretty easily.
App development.
Vibecode. Helps generate and develop mobile apps faster. Good for getting ideas off the ground quickly.
And lastly, video content.
Videotowords. Converts video to text right in your browser. It can even help add subtitles easily. Super useful for creators. So, quite the deep dive today. From fundamental AGI tests and these surprising AI vulnerabilities right through to market moves and tools you can try now. Hopefully you feel a bit more up to speed.
We really did cover a lot. AI struggling like us, AI being tricked like us. It makes you think, doesn't it? As we keep peeling back the layers, what's the next completely unexpected thing AI will do or reveal about itself that just shifts our whole perspective again?
That's the question to ponder.